Hello, my dear students. Good morning, students. Let's start discussing the topic invitation writing in this lecture. I hope you will surely get full benefit of this lecture and be able to draft an invitation very correctly and logically. Okay, so be ready. Let's start learning the topic invitation writing. Grammar. GRAMMAR grammar. Okay. Short writing task बेटे. SHORT short. WRITING writing task. TASK. Short writing task. Grammar short writing task. Okay. Topic is here. What is the name of the topic? Invitation writing. Invitation writing. Invitation writing. Invitation is also considered a piece of information, beta. Invitation is also considered a piece of information which is sent through printed cards or through a paper, through a paper in the style of a letter. So there are two kinds of invitations which we take in this our syllabus for class 12th. So I would like to give you here. Firstly, if you want to write it, definition. An invitation is a piece of information that is conveyed through a printed card or simply on a paper in the form of a letter. Okay, this is the definition. Point number 2 बेटे. Types of invitations. Types of invitations. Invitations are of the following two types, namely, number one, formal invitations. Number two, informal invitations. Formal invitations are also known as printed invitations, and informal invitations are also called non-printed. There are two types of invitations. Okay, bete. Number three, basic characteristics. Number one, okay, first, for formal invitations. Okay, number 1A, write the formal invitation in third persons, only. B, use the present and future tense. Wherever necessary. NECESSARY. C, use capital letters while putting the name of the host of any program. D, mention the content matter in short phrases so far as possible. The next is E. Put the invitation in a box. Okay, put the invitation into a box. The next could be here F. Write the word RSVP on the LHS and the words with best compliments on RHS. Okay. Put the words at the center of the line to make the drafting much impressive. Much impressive and eye-catchy. These are the basic characteristics. Firstly, for formal invitations. Now I would like to give you here blank format. बेटे blank format. This the blank format will surely help you to write an invitation systematically. Yes bete, I am making a box here, na? Yes. So just as you can see here, I have drawn these 3 lines to give the shape of a box, and now I would like to write the content matter here. What could be the content matter, bete? But the solution will be given to you later. First of all, I write the blank format. So beta, this the line is to be used to mention the name of the host. Name oblique detail of the host. Okay, then you should write here preposition of or etc. Okay, this the word should be written here. This the word should be written here. Again this the word here. Then you should write the name of the program here. Okay, bete, in this box, name of the program, date, venue, preposition venue, preposition date, and again the timing, and this the part is here should be closed. Bete, RSVP, this is the address, and with best compliment. This is the blank format. This is the blank format, bete. So you should follow this is the blank format. Okay. And now I would like to give you here a heading for the same. Heading. Heading. Okay. You are XYZ in charge cultural society SOCIETY of DR Public School, Agra. Your school is going to celebrate its 14th annual day celebration, annual day ceremony at the school campus next week. ओके बेटे, ड्राफ्ट एन इनविटेशन, a formal invitation, draft an invitation or draft a formal invitation. You will find the word formal invitation. Draft a formal invitation. Okay, for all the members of the institution. For all the members of the institution in about 50 words. आपकी संस्था के जितने भी सारे लोग हैं उन सभी को इनवाइट करने की खातिर आपको एक इनविटेशन लिखना है। कैसे लिखेंगे देखिए, नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन बेटे। As you can see here, I am making a box and I expect it from your side also that you will also make a box before you start drafting the invitation. Okay, now first of all, this is the solution, SOLUTION. So what will you do? You will write here the word invitation. Okay beta, अरे बेटे invitation, the word invitation is to be written by you here in capital letters. कैपिटल लेटर्स में आपको इनविटेशन वर्ड लिखना है यहाँ पर। इसके बाद बेटा यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द एंड द डिटेल ऑफ द होस्ट. व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द होस्ट? द प्रिंसिपल, the staff and the students students and the students of DR Public School, DR Public School, Agra, CORDIALLY cordially invite or cordially request okay the benign presence of your company, or you may write here cordially invite the solicit presence of your company, or you may write here the word bete cordially invite the cordially invite the pleasure of your benign presence. You may also write the word of your company on, O should be in small letter, on the auspicious occasion, on the auspicious occasion now you should mention here the name of the occasion here. On the auspicious occasion, generally occasion, not occasion, annual, ANNUAL, annual day ceremony, CEREMONY, annual day ceremony, okay, annual day ceremony, okay, this is the name of the program. It should be darkened like this, annual day ceremony at the school campus on 3rd September 2020. You can also write down the name of the day also, okay, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. full stop. Now you should mention here बेटे one more detail, the space has fallen short. ये स्पेस थोड़ा छोटा पड़ गया है, मैं इसको आगे ले जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा ये स्पेस कम पड़ गया. आपको एक पूरा पेज इसके लिए सिक्योर करना चाहिए. जहाँ तक मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट ये गलती ना करे, इसको पूरे पेज को सिक्योर करना चाहिए. लेकिन एक चीज़ देखिए जो आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी, एक ये जो शेप जो दी गई है, देखो ये शेप जो दी गई है, ये शेप बिल्कुल एक इन्विटेशन की शेप है. और मैं आपसे उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप बिल्कुल इसी प्रकार से अपना इन्विटेशन ड्राफ्ट करके आएंगे. कहीं इधर उधर दाएं बाएं जिगजैग वे में वर्ड्स को ना लिखें. प्लीज़ डोंट स्कैटर द वर्ड्स इन जिगजैग वे. ओके, so I would like to write here some remaining part of the invitation, since there I found the lack of space. So you will have to mention here the one word, enable, HO, okay, and BLE, enable, education minister, Honorable Education Minister of the State श्री, जो भी नाम होगा वो नाम यहाँ लिखेंगे आप. आगरा यूपी के एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का जो भी नाम है, will preside over the function as the chief guest। इसको आप लोग इस प्रकार से मेंशन करेंगे, ठीक है, ऐसे लिखेंगे इसको। in this forum, and now RSVP बेटे the word RSVP बेटा it is a French word and it stands for response syllabus SIL_VOUS plate PLAIT means reply, please respond to if undelivered। Dinesh Sharma is the education minister, I think so, of Uttar Pradesh। You can write here the name Dinesh Sharma in capital letter SHARMA, okay। Whatsoever name you can write here, no matter, it doesn't matter। Will preside or you may write here has kindly consented to be the chief guest on this occasion and okay give away the prizes to the best winners of different activity। give away the prizes। इस तरह की लैंग्वेज में आप लिख सकते हैं बेटा, और ये थोड़ा सा एक बिल्कुल सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से लिख करके आना है लास्ट में। इसके बाद RSVP के बाद में यहाँ पर लिखेंगे प्रिंसिपल, द प्रिंसिपल PRINCIPAL, आपके स्कूल का नाम जो भी नाम है, DR पब्लिक स्कूल है तो DR पब्लिक स्कूल, और उसके बाद में आगरा, और यहाँ कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, और उसके बाद क्लोज कर दो इसको बेटा, ठीक है ना। क्या कर दें, क्लोज कर दें। यहाँ कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर लिखेंगे, दूरभाष कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर जो भी है, और उसके बाद यहाँ पर लिखेंगे आप विद, नीचे लिख दें ऊपर की बजाय, यहाँ लिख सकते हैं विद बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। So this is the format of the formal invitation, and this is the format should be followed by you। It requires enough space बेटा, काफ़ी सारा स्पेस चाहिए इसको, sufficient space चाहिए इस invitation को। And the second one, part 2, okay, this is the part 2। Part 2 means type 2, informal invitations। Informal invitations बेटा, informal invitations are written in the style of a letter, in the form of a letter, and almost all but I write here some basic characteristics na, basic points। number 1, okay, to design an informal invitation one should okay follow 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 the format of a letter। number 2, okay, the content matter should be should be written in present or future tense only. Third, it should also be put into a box. Okay, put into a box. So now I would like to give a heading. Format just like a formal letter, but I would like to give here the detailed study of the invitations. So bete, I would like to write here methods of writing informal invitations. Okay, what are the methods? There are two methods beta. Number one, informal way. Number two, informal way. Formal way means in the style of the official letter. In informal way means in the style of personal letters. So now I would like to give you the heading here. Heading. Hello bete. Heading. I have written here the heading. You are the principal of XYZ school, New Delhi. You are the principal of XYZ school, New Delhi. Your school has decided to invite a noted musician to be the chief guest on the occasion of a one-act play competition to be organized at your school auditorium next month. Draft an invitation in about 10 words inviting the head of the music department of Rihanna Music Academy New Delhi. Sign yourself as रियाज हमीना. प्रिंसिपल के तौर पर आपके सिग्नेचर इस नाम से होंगे. बाकी आपको ये इनविटेशन ड्राफ्ट करना है. मैंने इसको ना वीडियो को बीच में स्टॉप कर दिया था, वो ध्यान नहीं रहा, इसलिए हेडिंग में ऐसे लिखा गया और मैंने बाद में ध्यान दिया ये वीडियो तो स्टॉप कर दिया था. सिर्फ लाइन वगैरह इस तरफ खींचने के लिए पेज वगैरह पलटते हैं. तो देखिए आप यहाँ पर बेटे, अभी हमें इनविटेशन लिखना है. इनविटेशन में क्या करना है बेटे, आपको पता है, मैंने कहा कि आपको ना सबसे पहले एड्रेस लिखना है, होस्ट का एड्रेस. व्हाट इज द हु इज द होस्ट? द प्रिंसिपल, XYZ स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली. सो दिस इज द मेन एड्रेस ऑफ योर होस्ट. सो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे दी प्रिंसिपल, PRINCIPL प्रिंसिपल, XYZ स्कूल, SCHLL स्कूल, ओके, न्यू दिल्ली. इसके बाद यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है बेटा, 1 लाइन स्किप करना है, डेट लिखनी है, आज की डेट, करंट डेट August 2020. Now you are going to invite the main head of the academy, the head, the chief or the head, HAD, head. Okay, name of the Rihanna Music Academy, RIYANA, Rihanna Music Academy, New Delhi. Okay, now you write here the subject. As you can see here, this is the formation, this is the format, okay, which is being given to you, is just like the format of the formal letter, official letter. Invitation, to grace the occasion as chief guest. Invitation as chief guest, as the chief guest. GUEST. It should be underlined. Now sir, respected sir or sir, you may write here sir. It gives me immense pleasure, or we are immensely pleased to inform you. You may also write collectively. We are immensely pleased to inform you that our school is going to organize a one-act play competition. You can write down the words in capital letter TITION, competition, and it should be underlined. Okay, at the school auditorium, AUDITORIUM auditorium, on 4th जो भी है 10th September 2020 from 10 AM to 2 PM. Okay, full stop. On behalf of, बेटे, the next part of this invitation is to be written by me at the next page. On behalf of all members of this institution, we cordially, या I cordially लिख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Cordially invite you with your company members to grace this occasion as the chief guest as the chief guest. Full stop. Awaiting a favorable response from your end. Yours truly, name as you write here, Riyaz, etc. Okay, and you can also write your phone number, no matter, contact number. Okay, no need to write the contact number. Okay, it's enough. Phone number, if you want to write here, you can write here, otherwise there is no need. So this is the structure of this invitation, which is known as informal invitation. Okay, and for the second informal the second type of the informal in the informal way. So if you want to invite your any company member, family member, so then and relative person, so then you will have to better skip this the address. इस एड्रेस को नहीं लिखना, उसमें आपको अपना एड्रेस लिखना पड़ेगा जो इसमें हेडिंग में दिया हुआ होगा, डेट लिखनी होगी, एड्रेस स्किप करना है, ओमिट करना है, फिर इन्विटेशन टू ओके अटेंड जो भी कार्यक्रम का नाम है, गृह प्रवेश सेरेमनी या जो बर्थडे पार्टी है, बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी है, वेडिंग सेरेमनी, कुछ भी उसको आप लिखेंगे। फिर यहाँ पर डियर जो भी नाम है डियर लिखेंगे। इसके बाद आई एम या वी ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स ऑफ शर्मा फैमिली, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो आई फील मच डिलाइटेड या आई एम इमेंसली प्लीज्ड टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट और फैमिली इज गोइंग टू, फिर प्रोग्राम का नाम और पूरे परिवार की तरफ से आपको उसको इनवाइट करना है उस कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित होने के लिए। ठीक है, सो मैंने आपको इनविटेशन का टॉपिक यहाँ तक का करवा दिया है। आई हैव टॉट यू हाउ टू राइट both kinds of invitations in this lecture. Now the second part of this topic, replies to invitation, will be attended by us tomorrow in this, okay, so that you can be able to write down the replies also. Thank you.